Lokal.
Inaprubaran ti Sangguniang Panlusod ti Syudad ti Lawag ti Appropriation Ordinance kung maabot ti 40 milyon na pesos para ti padakita ti tulong ti fuel subsidy kadagiti apektado ti panangato ti presyo ti petrolyo. Daytoy ti presentar ni Sangguniang Panlusod Member Attorney Donald Nicolas kabayatan ti Mekat 38 regular session ti 13th Sangguniang Panlusod ti Syudad ti Lawag.
Si Chairman Steve Collins, tinuras is Scrap City Appropriation Ordinance No. 13 SP, Street 26-099, an ordinance appropriating the amount of 46,740,000 pesos from the fiscal year 2025 unrestricted retained operating surplus of the city government of Lawag for the implementation of the assistance to tricycle drivers, operators, jeepney drivers, operators, farmers, and diesel folks, emergency assistance program to vulnerable and affected residents of Lawag City, procurement of solar-powered electric bikes for the barangay health workers and the BFS, other maintenance and operating expenses, and for other purposes.
Kabayatan na kung nato opisyal aday ito yung implementasyon ti tulong para kadagiti apektado a sektor ti panangato ti presyo ti petrolyo ket kasapulan keneng kalintegan taday ito yung programa ket makatulong amang sustainer kadagiti transportasyon mamprotohir kadagiti pagsapulan digiti drivers ken operators ken kastamet tapno masalak ni ti pagimbagan dagiti agbibiyahe bayat apataginayon ti kinatalged iti uneg ti lokalidad.
In light of the ongoing increase in fuel prices caused by the global crisis, the implementation of assistance to tricycle drivers, operators, jeepney drivers, operators, farmers, and diesel folks is both necessary and justified. The program will help sustain transportation services, protect the livelihood of transport drivers and operators, and safeguard the welfare of commuters while maintaining economic stability within the locality.
Mainaigi ti daytoy inayon pa na Attorney Nicolas adigiti beneficiary ti daytoy a subsidy ket digiti nakarehistro at tricycle driver operators, jeepney driver operators ken digiti mannalon ken mangalap. Para ti IFM News, Idol Rain Santos, Tatak IFM!